Thursday and we are up and getting stuff done, huh? Alright, those are 2 letters that I want to send off in the mailbox. We gotta go put them in the mailbox, okay? No, those are Mommy's pen pals. Mama wrote her pen pals, so. Alright, let's unlock the door. We're gonna take you out to the mailbox. Looks like it's gonna rain again. That'd be awesome.
Then I in the whole bed.
Shut the door. Alright.
That people. That people. Down. Oh, that door. That door down.
Because it rained last night, so it did rain. You know, showed you yesterday that it rained, so it's still a little damp out here. Alright, hang on, wait for Mama. We have to check both ways. Alright, look that way and look that way. Is there any cars?
No.
No, okay. It's safe to cross.
Oh, there's my mailbox.
Oh, yeah, there's the mailbox. Alright. Put the letters in. Close the mailbox and put the flag up. Good job! You got it down now.
Ow!
Do you like helping Mama? Yeah. And when we go back inside, you got to put the sticker on your calendar. You haven't done that this morning yet. Yeah.
That one.
He's excited now. Oh, my battery's flashing. I'm gonna have to put my battery on charge. We did it. We put the letters in the mailbox. High five. Down low. Way to go.
Ow.
Alright, he's putting this other sticker on. Put it on the 30. Today is July 30th. Good job! Another sticker down. Another day down. Just one day closer to your party.
1, 2, 3,
4. And then
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 days until your party.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Show me how. What?
The motorcycle.
Your motorcycle.
Yeah.
Say tricycle.
Tricycle.
Yeah.
Ow.
Oh, you alright?
Hey.
Alright, ride it.
They go out and any time.
Can you pedal it?
No.
Oh my goodness. Me and Cody have been trying to teach him since his first birthday how to pedal, and he just cannot get it. Push your feet. Push one foot and then push the other foot. You got to make him go around in a circle. But he just rides his tricycle with. Show him how you ride it.
It works. It works. It works.
It works.
Yes.
Come back this way.
It works. I bet one foot.
Because he's using one foot on the floor and one on the pedal. Alright, now put the other foot on the pedal. Put both of your feet on the pedals.
Wow.
Christian, put both of your feet on the pedals. Alright, now press one. Push one, and then push the other one. Oh well. You got both of your guns? Yeah. What?
And one die out.
Oh, look outside. It's like getting really windy.
Yeah.
Leaves are falling everywhere. It might be about to rain. That'd be good, wouldn't it?
They one did that one. Would you out that?
We could go sit on the porch. I think it's about to rain.
I don't want the baby this rain.
No. We're not gonna play in the rain. We're just gonna watch it. Yep, it is raining. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There's a little bit, but me and Kristen are sitting out on the porch. I'm about to do my nails because this is just looking horrible now. It's like all chipped up, so I'm going to attempt to do this kind of. I'm going to put that on the base and then put the sparkles over it. I think that'd be really cool looking, so I'm going to just do something different.
I like weak.
No, don't get any more. We don't need any more.
I like weak.
I know you like red, but don't get in it. No. Stay out here. He's going to go in my nail polish. No, don't go in Mama's nail polish, okay? I already got the colors that I'm going to use, okay? Yeah, but you don't paint your nails.
No,
No, he doesn't understand, so. Alright, I've got the first coat on. I'm going to do 2 coats of the lime greens, make sure it covers really good. I got them on my toes. Alright, I got my nails painted, so it's green with sparklies on them. I kind of got that one in the middle with a lot of sparkles on it. But that's what they look like. And I'll sit on my toes. So yeah, got my nails painted, and that was one of my goals this week, to do that, was to make my nails look nice. And I'm going to put a clear coat on them once the sparkles dry, and then hopefully they'll look nice throughout the whole weekend and onto next week. But then I'm going to paint them something. I might even paint them back to the mint green and sparkles, because to me it just looked very birthday-ish for Christian's birthday. I think that would be neat.